Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Barbara Del Monica. I'm the CEO and founder of Curls Monthly. And if you're not aware of what Curls Monthly is my curly hair subscription service. Each month we send you 5+ of my favorite curly hair products so you can try them out before you commit to buying the full thing. And if you are a Curls Monthly subscriber, an extra warm welcome to you. I'm so happy you're here and I can't wait to train you on today's product. So on today's video, we're going to be talking about the Curl Keeper Rapid Hair Repair. If you've been a Curls Monthly subscriber for a while, you may have actually already tried this. This was in Curls Monthly, I think like 14 months now ago, which I can't even believe that we've existed for this long, but it is backed by popular demand. So many people have requested this who weren't subscribed at the time, and it is such a great effective product that I truly do believe in for a number of reasons, which we'll get into. So I'm so excited to have the Curl Keeper product back. All of the Curl Keeper products that have been inside of Curls Monthly have been so loved. So just thrilled to have this back. Last time when we had the Curl Keeper Rapid Hair Repair inside of Curls Monthly, I mainly was comparing it to K18, and I was kind of calling it like the dupe for K18. It's half the price of K18. K18 retails for I think $75, where the Curl Keeper Rapid Hair Repair I'm pretty sure is $35. So you know, a fraction of the price, and really performs and does the same type of thing. So of course you can watch that video if you're looking for more information on how it works in that regard. And this training video is actually going to be a little bit different. We're going to be talking about why and how I think and why I call basically the Curl Keeper Rapid Hair Repair the Gatorade of hair care products. So we'll get into that in a second, but before we do, just giving you some fast facts about this product. Number one, something I love about this product is that it truly works immediately. So it works on the first time that you use it, and you can see pretty great results upon the first time that you use it. It restores health into damaged or color treated hair, and it actually does so and goes a layer deeper than most bond builders. So this is technically not a bond builder, it's more like a molecular treatment. So it goes into a molecular level of your hair cells and repairs there. I'm gonna put a little chart over here kind of showing what I mean. At the tail end, you see healthy hair, and then you see healthy hair that is damaged. And that damage comes and causes breakage. And what bond builders do, which are very important, is they then go ahead and repair the bonds of that hair strand to make that hair strand whole again, which is great and necessary and helpful. But what something like the Curl Keeper Rapid Hair Treatment does is it actually goes in one layer deeper than those bonds, and it actually repairs, like I said, from a molecular level. So it goes in and literally ties the hair strand back together, and it's literally reversing damage. This whole molecular repair treatment is honestly technology that's no more than 2 years old, so it's pretty new to the hair care world. And honestly, this type of a treatment is completely crucial and vital, especially if you're someone who colors your hair. I've been coloring my hair since 7th grade. I don't even know what my natural hair color really looks like. And so I think that products like this have totally saved my hair. They're really how I'm able to continue coloring my hair and still have really nice healthy curls. This formulation is super lightweight. It's not at all greasy, which is gonna be really beneficial, especially for my low density, fine haired people. And actually this product is great for low density and fine hair. Also is great because it restores your hair back to a perfect pH balance. If your hair is too high or too low on the pH balance scale, that's when you can start getting like scalp irritation, breakage, and things like that. So this type of a treatment is going to like really balance your hair just to that even kiltered place. It's gonna help add loads of volume. So again, really great for people who have lower density hair. It's great for really all types of hair, which we'll get into in a second. But I know a lot of people with finer, lower density hair really find this product beneficial. And it actually has Curl Keeper's Color Keeper technology, which helps colored hair maintain its color. You don't need to have colored hair to use this product, but if you do have colored hair, again, I find it super beneficial. So the Curl Keeper Rapid Hair Repair is going to be probably best for definitely color treated hair, chemically treated hair. If you've gotten keratin treatments or straightening treatments, Brazilian blowouts, this type of thing is gonna be fantastic. But really any damage. So if you've had heat damage, maybe your curls aren't curling the way that they normally would, this type of product can come in and really just help that. It's also going to be so great for fine hair, lower density hair, because it adds that nice volume and it's weightless. It's a truly weightless product. And really anyone who needs a lightweight but massively conditioning option. I would say the only type of people maybe who should be careful are people with like perfectly healthy hair, or maybe people with like very, very, very dry, coarse hair. I still think dry, coarse hair can use this product, but just maybe not as often, which sort of brings me on how to use this product. So this product is a conditioner, so you're gonna use it in place of your conditioner. It's a deep conditioner. So you're just going to shampoo as normal. And actually these types of products are going to be the most impactful on days that you clarify your hair. If you're not familiar with what clarifying is, to make a long story short, clarifying is using a very specific type of shampoo in place of your shampoo that is really meant to sort of like reset your hair and like start the reset button on your hair. You don't need to have your hair clarified to use this product, but it will just be that much more impactful if your hair is clarified. You're going to apply the Curl Keeper Rapid Hair Repair on your hands, and then you're just going to start at the ends of your hair. And then you're just going to work your way up, applying that on your hair. After it is applied on your hair, then you're going to take a wide tooth comb or a curl approved detangling brush, and you're just going to very, very gently start at the bottom and work your way to the top to gently detangle your hair. The directions say that you want to leave this product on for at least 10 minutes. So like, what does that really mean? And actually, molecular repair treatments such as this will actually be able to continue to work benefits on your hair as long as your hair is wet. So what I usually do with a product like this is I will wash my hair, apply this, you know, tie it up. Sometimes I'll keep it on for as short as 10 minutes, you know, so I'll shave my legs, like wash my body, and then I'll rinse it off. Other times I'll get out of the shower, you know, maybe I'll like walk my dog, cook breakfast, that type of a thing, and then come back and rinse it out. So it will be beneficial to keep it on your hair. I would just say don't keep it on overnight because you don't want to leave your hair wet for that long. But I would say like up to 3 hours, it will continue to work, but you can keep it on for as little as 10 minutes and start to see a difference. Now, when it comes to how often you want to use this product, I would say you wouldn't want to use it any more than once a week, but we shouldn't really be washing our hair too much more than once a week anyway. So I would say it depends on what your hair needs. You're always wanting to listen to your hair. So we know that this type of product helps with chemically treated, chemically altered, colored hair the most. So if that's something that your hair has just recently gone through, or maybe you've gone through a lot of bleaching and things like that, this is going to be something that you probably could use once a week for maybe 2-3 months pretty solidly, and then move on to like once a month. But you always just want to be listening to your hair. So it's really important to, when you do use this, you sort of take note on how it affects your hair, how it feels in your hair, how your hair looks afterwards. And then you're really able to kind of, as time goes on, tell like, okay, this is a day that I'm going to need a treatment like this because my hair needs that extra bounce, or I just got to color it, etc., etc. Now, looking at these magical ingredients inside of here, the first ingredient after water is soy lectin. Soy lectin adds luster to your hair because it actually supports and enhances the amount of protein that your hair is able to produce. Next, we have sodium chloride, which is salt basically, and it actually helps just make like the formulation thicker. Then we have jojoba oil, which has anti-inflammatory properties. Then we have glycerin, which is a moisturizing agent. Polyquat 37 will add volume. Isosatith 20 also adds volume. Then we have panthenol, which is fantastic for shine. And panthenol actually seals off the cuticle of each hair strand, which helps just smooth like the overall hair strand of your hair. Then we have hydrogenated polydecene, which is a conditioning agent. Then we have trideseth 6, which helps basically just like mix oil and water. We have guava extract, which will help produce and maintain collagen in your scalp. Slippery elm extract. It's going to prevent water loss and just keep water locked in your hair and scalp to keep it moisturized. Fenugreek seed extract will just make your hair more soft, smooth, and manageable. Marshmallow root extract, which is like one of my all-time favorite hair ingredients of all time, helps with moisture. Honey extract moisturizes. Kelp extract promotes shine. Aloe vera leaf juice helps moisturize. Sunflower extract prevents water loss. Chamomile extract actually helps maintain your color, so there's that. And then we have silk amino acids. Silk amino acids is the only amount of like a true protein in here. So this product is pretty low in protein, but the silk amino acids are going to help your curls bounce and stay in a curl shape for longer and prevent them from falling flat. Thank you so much for watching. If this video helped you at all, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. make sure you're subscribed to this channel, and I'll see you next time.